We are currently at the Accent Tech Center. We are part of the Accent Group. Accent was created around 100 years ago, just with a single lab in Gouda. We are specialized in milling, zirconia, lithium silicates, and 5 years we are specialized also in all the 3D print solutions. And we are growing and expanding in their digital workflow, providing to all our labs in Belgium and the Netherlands. So you see how big digitalization in the dentistry is. We're still growing in numbers. We produce nowadays 3D printed model for crown and bridge, plinths, impression trays, try-ins. We print denture bases, denture tooth arches. Actually the complete indication of dentistry we can print. We don't provide any analog work because we started accepting only digital work, because we see that digital work has a very short lead time, so we can be very fast with delivery and with a high accuracy and quality. When we started printing dentures, we started off with 3 3D printers. That was 3 years ago, and within a year and a half we grew so fast that we already have 20 plus Asiga printers standing, and we're still growing. All the 3D print brands have a closed software platform, so you're very limited in the usage of different kind of material brands and resins. Asiga offers us open platform, so we are open to choose whatever material we want to use. The open material platform is really great because you've got one resin that is really good but not working for a different indication. You can also use a different kind of material on the same Asiga printer for different indications. Also that we can tweak a lot in the settings to be a little bit more perfect than the standard settings. We are open to adjust all the settings that they are, so we can provide the best printing quality and printing speed for our customers. It's a really plug-and-play usage. I can take someone from the street and teach them how to use the Asiga printers, and I even can teach my grandmother how to use a 3D printer because it's such an easy solution. Because we've got a lot of customers, we can use Asiga printers together with our resin manufacturing partners to develop new materials that are developed especially for our customers for the best printing quality and speed, to be the best partner in the dental world. How we see the future is that we fully automate our production workflows, where my sentence, if you can imagine it, we can make it, have a perfect fit, because we can't make everything currently with our hands. And with all the new materials coming up, we can create beautiful smiles for all the people.